Hello everyone, so let us start. Today we are going to start with multi-key FHE. So we'll be starting. The topic is multi-key FHE. So let us first quickly see some background. How does this multi-key FHE originated? And see, after FHE in 2009, first FHE scheme was given by Gentry. After that, many schemes were developed. Okay, and in 2012, there are some other Lopez, Tromer, and Vakunthanathan. They have introduced this term multi-key FHE, and they have constructed this based on NTRU. What is their idea? They first created a FHE scheme and then extend that FHE scheme into this multi-key FHE. Okay, so before that, let us see some problems, some hard problems which we'll be using, and later on also I'll be defining them. Let us first start with learning with error. Learning with errors. So what is this LWE problem? This is called LWE. This was introduced in 2005 by Regev. Okay. So let me just introduce given an integer q, and a Gaussian distribution, say Gaussian, let me write it like this, on ZQ. Okay, and dimension n. Okay, the decision LWE problem, we are first taking decision LWE problem is to distinguish between the two distribution, between the following distributions. For a fixed S, this is a vector, so I'll just write S cap. Wherever there is a vector, I'll write S cap or something, cap will be there. S uniformly sampled from ZQ, and that means it is n dimensional. It has n coordinate. Okay, there are two distribution, you have to distinguish between them. The first one is take some AI from the distribution and some BI. So this is sampled uniformly from ZQ n plus 1. The first AI this is having n vectors, n coordinate, and this guy is 1, so total it will be from n plus 1. And second, again I am having ai bi, but in this case this ai is sampled, so where ai is sampled uniformly from zqn, and ei is sampled from distribution. I'll just write here sample from distribution. This is the notation you are taking. Okay, and set bi is equal to inner product of ei comma s plus ei. Okay, so this is the decision LWE. What is the decision LWE? That means given to distribution, given to set, you are given with the this one and you are given this. You just have to identify which one of them is this guy. That is, which one of them is having. Then can you distinguish between them? If you are having, suppose we are having two color balls, then you can quickly distinguish that one is red, one is black, something like that. But if both looks alike, then can you distinguish? Because they are numbers only, you won't able to distinguish that one is uniformly sampled and other is having some property. That is, this bi is actually inner product of ei comma s plus ei. Okay, and one more variant is search variant. In that search variant, can you able to find the s? I'll just write it here. The search variant of LWE would be to find s from arbitrary many pairs of ai comma bi. That means given so many different pair of this, can you find the value of s? So that is a hard problem. Yeah, so this was LWE problem.